Welcome back to the vlog. Here we go. First part. I just got the first part. I just ordered the front lip for the BMW 535i. It's gonna be the front lip. This is one piece. This is another piece. I ordered in gloss black. Right here I got the other long piece. I was just down there putting plastic dip on some of the chrome trims, and when I came up I saw this and I was like, yes, first part already in to start the build. I probably do another video after I get it installed, just because it's hard for me to like record with my phone while I'm trying to install it. But this is gonna be the front lip for the M Sport front bumper, and I'm ready to go put this thing on. So I gotta make supper. I gotta make something to eat. I gotta cook. So I'm gonna put something to cook, and then I'm gonna jump and do this, and I probably do a video when it's installed. So this is gonna be the first mug from lip. Well, not the first mug. The first mug actually I just paint plastic this on the badges, and I took the xDrive badge off, and I put a light tint on the reflectors on the back and on the front. But man, as soon as I freaking put this on, I'm gonna start doing videos after the install so you can see the way that it look. On the thumbnail in this video, I'm gonna put the front of the car without the lip, so you can have an idea how it's looking without the lip. Or you can look for a 535i BMW xDrive 2016 with the M Sport, and you will see how the front bumper look. But I'm gonna put a picture, and then when I do the next video, you can see the difference. So hit the like, subscribe, and come aboard, man. We're getting ready to do the next project. Till the next one, be safe. I know people say they cannot see my face. I'm always blocking my camera because you know how media is and how the internet and the phones are, man. I don't trust them. So I was blocking my camera, but here I am. So I get this done, I'm gonna do the video and show you how it look like, all right? Thumbs up, please. Be safe. God bless.